Let's make the viral crab Rangoon nachos. Crispy. Here's what you're gonna need: cream cheese and imitation crab. If you don't use MSG, no worries. You can use light soy sauce to bring out the savoriness. Remove the imitation crab. You're gonna need 1 pound of this. The ones I like to use has MSG already. If you don't like MSG, you don't have to get the one that has it. Next, just cut them to smaller pieces. They'll break apart like this. I can eat like 10 of these. These are so expensive at restaurants, but they're super easy to make. Nowadays, they're selling these for like almost $10 for like 5 or 6 pieces. That's insane. Now just break them into smaller pieces. You want something like this. Once complete, set aside for later use. Next, you're gonna need cream cheese. Cut it down to smaller pieces. You're gonna need 2.5 pounds of cream cheese. Right, let's mix it with the imitation crab. Let's add it in. Give it a mix. Combine well. I wash my hand and my fingers and nails are clean. For visual, I am adding it a little at a time so that way you guys can see it better. My hands are clean. Cut my fingernails. My hands are clean. I did wash my hands, so don't worry. No. You want something like this, you want to make sure they're evenly coated. This is optional. You can add some thinly sliced scallions. Go ahead and add it in. There's no right or wrong way of doing this. You can add anything to this mixture as you please. Give it a mix once again, combine well. Once complete, set aside. Next, with our wonton wrappers, we're gonna spread them like this. Make it more easier to use. Cover with some sort of lid so it doesn't dry out. Set aside. Add water to a mixing bowl. Next, you're gonna need something to brush with. All right, I'm gonna take one of my wonton wrappers, lay it flat on the working surface. Next, add your desired amount of fillings and just put it in the middle. And now we're just gonna brush all 4 corners just with water. Just gonna seal it. Place another one on top. And now we're just gonna seal it. And we're just gonna seal the edges. Make sure there's no air bubbles. Push the filling towards the middle, okay? Just like this. Make sure we seal the ends. And there you go. We have our first crab wonton nacho chips. Set aside and cover it. Make sure it doesn't dry out. Let's go ahead and make another one. Lay it on top. Seal it. Make sure they all seal. Voila. So yes, we have a lot of mixture fillings left. No worries. You can add this to a freezer bag or vacuum seal, and you can use this at your convenience. Perfect for dinner parties, special occasions, and the holidays. A hit with the kids. Go ahead and make our sauce. This is going to be my spin. Now, the original viral recipe calls for gochujang. So this sauce is going to be my take and my twist. Use any kind of sweet and sour sauce that you like. Add that. Next, add some lemon juice. Next, I'm going to add some sour cream. Some piping hot water dilute. And let's give it a mix. And for some color, some sriracha. Add a mix. So good. Sweet, sour, savory, but tangy with a little kick. And there's our sauce. Wow, look at that. I'm gonna put it in a container. Close it. All right, we got our sauce. All right, so when it's done, it looks like this. I covered it with a cloth so that way it doesn't dry out. See? They're still really moist. So now, let's take these, let's go fry them. Fry them till they're golden crispy like this. After you fry them, we get something like this. Nice and crispy. Listen to this. Once it cooled down, transfer into a plate. Next, we're gonna hit it with the sauce. Sprinkle a little bit of fettuccine. Top it off with some scallions. Wow, look at this. The sauce. Mmm. So crispy. See how crispy that is? Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Crispy, delicious, 11 out of 10. As always, recipes in the description. I'm Chef Harris. I'll see you guys next time.